Hey everyone, my name is Thomas. Welcome to my channel. This is the Burning Gundam / God Gundam Full Suit Build Series Part 23. The suit has been complete. It's been completely clear coated. Everything is done. The only problem is that the entire suit is too heavy. I didn't take that into consideration when I was printing this. I added too much stuff into the backpack to make it heavy, because when I tried it on with the wings on there, it kept choking me and there was no way I was going to be able to wear it. And also the entire suit itself is very heavy, and I was worried about the suit breaking under its own weight. So yes, I'm sad that I can't wear the costume out for long periods of time. I might be able to try it on just to see how it looks, but I'm not going to wear for long periods of time because it could break under its own weight, or I can trip and fall because of not picking my foot up or something like that. I like how it turned out. I'm glad that it's finally done. It took a long time to complete this. I started this project back in March of 2022, and now we're in November of 2025, so we're talking a good 2.5 years of working on it, on and off. Alright, we're going to get an up-close look at the God Gundam, just to take a look and see how everything turned out. And I'm so glad that I actually repainted these shoulders, because they look a whole lot better now than they did before. And with that black detail line in there, it gives it a little bit extra special look to it too. And the same thing with the chest, with on here on this little canopy right here. That black detail line really makes a difference on there. And also I redid the detail lines on the helmet. And you can turn the lights real quick. And you can see, like, that actually looks really nice. Yeah, it's a shame that I wasn't able to wear this for Halloween, but I don't think I would have been able to survive wearing this for long periods of time. So that's it for right now. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and also don't forget to hit the thumbs up to let me know that you liked the video. Thank you for watching.